bathi bengekho yini ama-anyanisi eGibhithe. Egypt was comfortable, was a comfort zone for abantwana bakwa-Israel. Bengqono for bona ukuthi badla ama-anyanisi angananyama as long as baneshow ukuthi bokufanele uba nendawo yokulala. Amen. Babona ingqono leya ndawo kunezwe loju, honey, milk. Unfortunately, izwi loju, you don't know it. You have to follow God. You have to be obedient. You have to live indawo yaziyo, uye endaweni ongayaziyo for ukudla uju lwenyosi. Manje bona bathi bengqondo lapha siba ngamatamati nabantu baseGibhithe basithi bama-anyanisi. Uzobathi bathi namathuna akhona le eGibhithe la akho mathuna la. Kusho ngegama labantu laba they are hooked, they are stuck ngengqondo zabo eGibhithe. Abakhona ukubona the new thing that God can do for them. Amen. Ya kukakhulu la, ya kukagogo la, ya kukabantu bandla at least nendawo yokulala. But do you know with the somewhere better uNkulunkulu angakisa khona? Yes sir. Do you know ukuthi yeah noma bangithuka noma ngabanzima mara at least nendawo yokulala? Do you know ukuthi the somewhere